So just open up your browser and then type virtualbox.org, I believe, yeah, virtualbox.org, and then come to downloads here, and also choose for your distribution. So this is Linux distribution. If you are using Linux, I'm using Windows, I'll go with Linux here. I'll go with Windows host, sorry. So click on it, and I've already downloaded, that's what they're trying to say, but I'll just download it again, yeah, because I deleted it here. So just download it. Alright, wait for it. So you can just open it, or you can locate it in the folder. I'm opening up the folder. So it's here. So let's just double click on it. Go to next, next, next. Yes, just install it. Okay, good. Important. So just come here and check it out and press yes. Okay. So while it's installing, let's go back and go to kali.org to download the Kali image, kali.org, and then also open another one. That one just type download Windows 7, sorry, Windows 7 Professional ISO file. Cool. And you just click on this one. I'll close that one. Right. So just go down. You can see for this is 64-bit and this is 32-bit. So I'm using 64-bit, so I'll just click on this one and download it. And then so it's going to download soon. Okay, I clicked on it. This is my VirtualBox. I think that's finished installing. So you can start it. And this is Windows 7. You can just choose where to install it. So I'll put it on the desktop. Save. Okay. So you see it's downloading 3.something gig. I've already downloaded, so I don't need to put it. So I'll just cancel it and then cancel this one too. And let's go back to Kali. So this is kali.org. So make sure you come to downloads, click on it, and then choose 64-bit if I'm using 64-bit. Choose 32-bit if I'm using 32-bit. So just, and then with the HTTP file. Though torrent is very fast, that's if you have a torrent app. But this is also okay because I just downloaded it. And it's 3.2 gig. So just click on it. Okay, so that one is saying, and then choose downloads. So I'll put it on the desktop. Okay, cool. And then select download. So I've already downloaded it, so I'll just cancel it. Alright, cool. So let's go back to our VirtualBox. So when you open up your VirtualBox, this is how it works. This is how it should look like. So I'll cut this video and then show you in the next video how to install Kali Linux and then Windows 7. Alright, see you. Bye.